Alright, YouTube, got this boomslang harness. Focus. RC AE Infinity 506 2003 2008 Hyundai Tiburon 2.7. So I just opened it. I didn't actually open it. So this might actually see how the harness looks. So that comes in. So shipping is $20. So let's see. Let's just tell me wherever it is. So it says pass test and process report. So it's a pretty nice bag. Let's see what it is, how it looks. So pull it out. Damn, this is pretty cool how they did it. I'm surprised. So, well, all the connectors, all that. Holy crap. So no wonder it costs like $600 to get it made. Not bad at all. So the factory side. So I have to cut everything back for the AFC. If you guys don't want to cut it, you can go with these guys. So I'm pretty surprised for everything here. Map sensor. Let's see. Igniter, like ignition, whatever. So EM net. I don't even know what half this crap is. So flash, lumbar. Everything looks pretty good, solid, man. Like you got like a long boost control or whatever. You see, yeah, boost control. So it looks solid as hell. They did a good job, man. I'm not mad about it. It is what it is. Let's see what the hell is the paper saying here. They give you their card. So that's pretty cool. Their sticker, hell yeah. So I'll see what they give you, whatever it is, I guess. So description, Infinity. So AC relay, coil, 321. That's pretty sweet. I have to say it's pretty freaking sweet. So I go down the list for you guys. Injector 1, 2, 3, injector 4 and 5, ground. It's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm happy that I got this. And they label everything for you guys too. That's super dope, man. Hell yeah, I'm pumped. So I already ordered the standalone from Real Street Performance. So I'm gonna be playing with the tune with the FIC again this weekend with my buddy. So going to standalone. Hell yeah, pumped. So any questions, concerns, let me know what you guys think. You guys ever mess with the standalone? Let me know. If not, stay watch and watch for any future videos. Alright guys, drive safe, stay dirty. Thank you. Have a nice day, night, weekend, day, afternoon, wherever you guys are from. Thank you.